Do you know you can actually wear a short hairstyle without going too short? Like your hair doesn't have to be too short for you to enjoy that beautiful short hairstyle. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can achieve a very beautiful pixie cut hairstyle without going too short. So the stretching of the hair is necessary if your hair is not so relaxed, it's not too relaxed, because you know you don't want to burn it because you're just retouching it at that time. So after which you have to apply your hair mousse on this hair. Hair mousse is very important for you to achieve this very beautiful coil. Now some people apply this butterfly shadow or any hair product that can actually hold the coil firm. This is for it to be able to last longer. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and if you found this video helpful, smash that subscribe button to be a part of this amazing community. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like the hair. Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you, and see you in my next video.